Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with my September sub box from DEK Designs or DEK Designs. So I'm super excited. I've never received one of these before. I did pick up a couple of extra things, so she sent me some goodies to look at and I was really intrigued. So let's see what's here. Ooh. Well, first off, it is so sweet. It says, "Hello Planner family. We hope your August is awesome and that September is filled with love, joy, and a little hot chocolate. Next month, your sub box will be our 5-year anniversary box. Enjoy. Please stay safe, sane, and well. Planned. Love, Dawn, Emily, and Katie." So that is DEK, Dawn, Emily, Katie. That's how that works out. So if you can't see, it's a beautiful box and it is beautifully done. So let me pull this to the side and I will start pulling everything out. Okay. Oops, let me scoot my dealy bob over. Okay, well the first thing that grabs my eyes is this. Look at this gorgeous pen. Oh my goodness gracious. Let me see. Do I have anything to write on? Yes, I do. Let's see. Oh, it writes like a dream. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, I may have to give this to one of my daughters or daughter-in-law for Christmas, but I may have to try it just a little bit. We'll see. We'll see. I think it is gorgeous. Okay, so, and I love the stuff they put on the inside, the squiggles. They are so pretty. So, let's see. I always think it's good to start with the paper, but it's always the hardest to get to. So, hold on one second. Let me grab that out. Okay, here we go. Now, ooh, look at the pumpkins. Oh my gosh, that paper is gorgeous. So pretty. And I love the contrast. That is a total different color palette. Hold on one second. That I would think of in my brain. So, ooh, I love the vellum. Look, isn't that gorgeous? Ooh, pretty pink vellum. And then, sorry, my little thing fell, and that is the only thing I saved, which I didn't need to. Look at the owls. I love birds, and I love flowers and pink. Oh, I love this. This is a perfect, like, transition into fall. Look at this. Oh, I love that. That just makes me happy. Oh, look, isn't that sweet? That is so sweet. Pumpkin patch, fall season, absolutely precious. Love it. Oh, look at this darling little fox and those flowers. And I love the flowers on the fox. Absolutely charming. Beautiful flowers. Oh, look at this one with the butterfly. Oh, I gotta make something for my youngest with that. And then look at that side. Isn't that gorgeous? So, okay, I was right. Start with paper first. You get the feeling, and it is gorgeous. So, let's keep going. And the next thing in my stack, so I put everything over here to the right. Look at that beautiful divider or marker. That is so pretty. Seriously, and you know I'm going to use that backing. And then, oh look, hot chocolate, apple pie, toasted marshmallows, chilly days, autumn, fall, cozy sweaters, late nights, pumpkin spice, crunchy leaves, bonfires. Sorry, I was a little tongue-tied. Oh my gosh, wouldn't that be darling? You could do a quick little memory book. Maybe I'll do one of my little granddaughter. Or you could just use this for notes. How charming is that? Oh my goodness, and look at these. This is the ephemera. Okay, that was the pen cover that came out, the little plastic it came in. It just came out, so we got to bust into this one. Because, you know. Because, you know. Oh my goodness gracious, I already am in love with this. Wow, this is my first box, and I'm so glad she sent me the invite because this is very, very, very beautiful. Very. Oh, look at that page. Wouldn't that be darling in our journals? Oh my goodness. You could literally make a journal out of this whole kit. It would be so charming, a junk journal. I love the chair. And look at this little pumpkin. And the cross bow, or the bow paperclip marker. And that little fox. Look at this beautiful acetate pumpkin. I don't know if you guys can see that. it's like this with the little dots on it. And then a beautiful owl. And a little kitty. Oh, and look at this butterfly. So pretty. Oh, look at that. I absolutely love this. It has the feeling of Planner Society, but more. It really does. I love that's gorgeous too. And I was a huge Planner Society friend for the longest time. But this is that quality. I will tell you right now. And I didn't think that that could be... I didn't think that that was even possible. Okay, so we have stickers. And let me see here. So this is the kit. I have placed an order for some extras. Maybe these... No, this is the kit. Okay, well, that's okay. So we get, if you're doing a junk journal, you get everything from your functional words, cell phone. We are in the process of trying to get a new cell phone. September 2020, payday, rent, credit card, vehicle payment, mortgage, absolutely charming. Oh, the strips, if you're in like an Erin Condren. Sometimes you can make those work in Happy Planner too. Then there's the corners and just some really cute tabs. The numbers for the days of the month, and then the actual days. And then we're missing, I'm sure we're going to find Monday, Tuesday. And, oh no, they're right there. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay, oh, they're all one piece. I get it. I thought this were... No, they're separate. They are separate, see? Okay, fun. All right. I know you probably saw it and said, open your eyes. So here's some functional boxes and then just decorative boxes and some half boxes or quarter boxes and half boxes. So cute. And look at these. How charming. Planning session. That is excellent. You need one a week. Day off. Bill do. Ah, I love this. Okay. Now this comes with it too. Seriously. I know. That's a lot. I can't believe that this comes with it too. This really is a loaded box. When I post this, I will put the link below. And I do not have an affiliate link, but I'll send them a message and see. Oh, look at that. Look at the foiling. I love this. Instead of buying the sticker and then the sticker with the foiling that you lay on top, I love this. Look at the girls. They're all so beautiful. Now, where's the redhead? I mean, I can still go brunette, but, you know. All right. Look at these. Oh, I love that weekend. Seriously, they did a phenomenal job. Look at that. This is clearly supposed to be for the month, and I love this. Hello, fall. Ooh, look at the functionals. And these are all the headers right here, the glitter headers. To-do, meals, exercise, today, work, this week. And look at all of these little functionals and dates. Super neat. Checklist boxes, checklists, banners, or flags. Some people call them flags. I guess these are more banners. Anyways, this is the killer. I'd seen these and I thought these were charming. And look at the functionals down here. I love the church. Reminds me of New Mexico. Wow, look at this. Isn't that cute? And then her days of the week, and look at all that. Look at this. I love the... Seriously, this has to be for the month. Look at the days of the week. And they're 3 different kinds. Whoops, sorry. And then more functionals. Oh my goodness gracious. And then... I love these scallops. I love these. And then computer. Oh my goodness. Oh, and look at last but not least. Decorative stickers. Oh my goodness, guys. I know I gush and ooh and ah over things, but this is definitely worth oohing and ahhing over. I'm serious. Okay, so this is a bag of extras. So first off, you get this charming little bow, which, you know, as a crafter, I'm going to keep. I don't know how to get it off, but I will. Oh, and I had read that she gives you, like, treats. So, look. So, this is rock candy. If you've never had it, it's just sugar, sugar candy. It's just sugar, unflavored usually, on a stick. This is very old-fashioned, and I love those. And then look at these little hot cocoa stickers. And then she gives you the hot cocoa. Oh, I should say, they give you. So DEK Designs, hands down, wow. It takes a lot to wow me. Game, set, match. I mean, or is it game, set, match? I can't remember what the saying is in tennis, but wow, that is shocking. And seriously, look at the stuffing. Oh, okay. I am totally thrilled, which I'm saving that. My son-in-law's birthday's in October, and it looks dark, so hopefully he will enjoy that. This was a winner, and I will take that off and use this chicken dinner. So, hands down, absolutely amazing box. Go look at their website. They also sell additional stickers, which I put an order in, and maybe I just misplaced it. I need to look for that. But absolutely, totally worth being on their mailing list. Okay, again, I will reach out to them hopefully today and see if I can't get a affiliate code, and hopefully you guys can get a discount. But if not, it's worth it anyways. All right, friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this. And most importantly, y'all be safe. Please be safe, okay? There's a lot going on right now, especially in the universities and colleges. And please pray for the teachers, everybody on the front lines, the medical workers. As a person who has a sister in the hospitals in Houston, Texas, it is not going down. The numbers are going up. And we have to do our part because those guys are ready to walk. They're exhausted. So let's do our part. Let's try to stay safe so that they don't have to work harder, those medical frontline people and delivery people and pharmacies, and just the list goes on and on and on. So I know you guys want your life back, and so do I. But let's be patient and make sure that everybody's safe. Okay, friends, now back to a fun thing. I'm going to go eat my rock candy and go to my next class. I'm going to a series of classes online. So, all right, guys, love you guys. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and say hello, not hello in the comment line. Oh, goodness, comment lines below. So I'd love to hear from you. And if you're new, say hi. We'd love to welcome you, and welcome to all of our new friends. Okay, friends, I'll be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.